With Samsung TV Plus, you get thousands of movies.
Nice.
Bonjour!
Must-see shows.
Yeah!
And live TV.
How did it go?
All for free.
Don't believe it.
Oh, yeah.
No downloads, no sign-ins, no subscriptions.
Sounds great.
From crime to comedy,
Scared.
music to documentaries, sports to kids. There's something for everyone.
It's got to be successful for a reason.
One tap and you're in. Simple.
Follow me.
And do make yourselves at home.
This is Samsung TV Plus.
I think it's nice.
That deserves a round of applause.
TV, but better.